Hi, my name is Evgenia and I've been a student at Future Connect Centre in Finchley, London since January 2023. I have completed AAT Level 1 and Level 2 certificate in bookkeeping, and I can highly recommend this training centre if you are looking for an opportunity to kickstart your career in accounting. You get full support of materials and live lectures. The tutors are absolutely amazing. They always go an extra mile, and my tutor Anum offered additional sessions as a preparation for mock exams and for your real exam to make sure that you are absolutely prepared and for success. I've also started practical training at the centre to get a real feel of what to be an accountant is like, and you get training in Sage 50, in QuickBooks Zero and Advanced Excel. It's been absolutely great, and I can't recommend this place highly enough. So if you are looking for a career in accounting, don't know where to start, Future Connect is a great place to go and try.